Imagine a phone so advanced it edits your vacation photos automatically, summarizes missed podcasts in seconds, and even translates your calls in real time without needing the internet. That's not some futuristic concept. 17 Pro Max, and it's shaping up to be Apple's most powerful and intelligent iPhone ever. With a launch expected between September 8th and 10th, 2025, this device isn't just another yearly refresh. It's a monumental leap in design, performance, and AI that redefines what a smartphone can do. Whether you're still holding on to your iPhone 13 or even the 15 Pro, what's coming is worth the wait. Let's start with the design. Apple is going all in on premium with a new generation of titanium alloy lighter. Stronger and more resistant to scratches and dents. The edges are smoother, the frame thinner, under 7.4 millimeters, and the phone feels more like a precision tool than just another gadget. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display is getting a massive boost too. Now, with second-gen promotion tech that adapts refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, helping balance battery life with visual smoothness, with up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness and anti-reflective coating, the screen is perfect for creators, gamers, and anyone who actually uses their phone outdoors. Powering all this is the new A19 Bionic chip Apple's first to fully embrace on-device neural network processing. It's built on a refined 3nm plus architecture. The A19 doesn't just offer insane CPU and GPU performance. It's built for real-time AI. Think live call translation, document summarization, intelligent photo editing, and even a next-gen Siri that learns your behavior and adapts on the go. Want to draft an email from a voice note? Sort 200 photos from your weekend automatically? This phone can do that, and more without ever needing the cloud. Battery life is finally taking a big leap forward too. The rumored 5,000 mAh capacity. This will be Apple's largest iPhone battery ever. Pair that with 50 West wireless fast charging, 35 West USB-C wired charging, and finally reverse wireless charging, and we're talking true power flexibility. Need to juice your AirPods or Apple Watch on the go? Just place them on the back of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. The camera system is also being overhauled in a major way. Expect a 48MP main sensor with a larger aperture for improved low-light shots, an ultra-wide lens for macro and landscape photography, and a periscope zoom lens offering 6x to 10x optical, zoom perfect for creators and mobile filmmakers. The front camera is expected to support AI-driven portrait enhancements, better facial tracking, and even 8K video capture with real-time cinematic bokeh and improved HDR. Whether you're a vlogger or just love taking great pictures, this phone will be your dream tool. Then there's iOS 19, Apple's biggest software leap in years. A redesigned control center, smarter lock screen widgets, and AI-powered smart actions that automate tasks based on your routines. It's like having a digital assistant baked into your OS. Features like Live Call Translate and Smart Summarize will take your productivity and communication to the next level. Health tracking is also getting smarter with potential new hydration and blood pressure sensors. Combined with the Apple Watch and AirPods, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may become a real-time health companion that monitors your sleep, stress levels, heart rate variability, and more. Connectivity is getting a serious upgrade too with Wi-Fi 7. Apple's first in-house 5G modem, enhanced satellite communication for emergencies and when you're off-grid. Add in potential Vision OS integration to support future wearables like Apple Glasses. And it's clear this device isn't just about 2025. It's about setting the stage for the next decade of Apple innovation. So, should you wait for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you're using anything older than a 15 Pro, yes, absolutely. The leaps in performance, AI, camera, charging, and design make this a generation-defining device. Whether you're a creator, business pro, or just someone who wants the best, this phone is built for you. Starting at $164,900 in India and going up to $210,000 for the 1TB model. It's not cheap, but it might be the smartest investment you can make in your digital life. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. It helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with the latest Apple tech news. And if you're curious about what iOS 19 has to offer, or want to know more about Apple's upcoming wearable plans, check out the videos popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.